Hey guys, this is just one guy, and I'm here playing Mass Effect, and I've seen something I haven't seen in years in a video game. Now, as a black guy, I've been waiting for this for at least the early 2000s, which is about 22 years? Check this out. I can't believe it. They actually got shape-ups. It's crazy. I cannot understate how excited I am about this. I had to wait 22 years of character creators with bad hairstyles that couldn't figure out a shape up. And to show you how bad this is, if you wanted to play as a black person before, you had to have this haircut. Look at the horror of that. Who lined him up? This is crazy. No black guy in history would ever get this haircut. Or you had to go bald, or this mess. What is this? What did I just escape from a jungle? Like, what the terrible. Now, after 20 years, we finally get a shape up. And I'm so excited about this. Hey guys, it's always been my dream to create video games, and now I have the talent to create them. Fortunately, I'm just one guy, but I am working hard on a bunch of projects. Any projects that I have finished will be the link down below. I would appreciate it if you could check it out. There should also be a list of all my finished projects on screen, or any project that I'm working on. You can also check out that. But if you want to download any of the games I made, you could check out the description down below. Thank you for watching.